Know that it is very tedious, and each AI needs to have a different API integration. And each software or app that you are running has to have a specific API integration for your local AI. So you kind of end up with a bunch of scattered API connections to your one LLM. But with an MCP server, to put it extremely simply, it's kind of like a bunch of different API connections bundled into one. So it's more so of like a standardized way of your AI connecting to a bunch of different software, and it doesn't have to go through different API functions and different code. It's kind of just like standardized bundles of APIs for your LLM to connect to. If that explains it, it's not the official definition, but that's my definition. So we will continue on with using Ollama. If you don't know, I have done previous videos with Ollama, and now we are connecting an MCP server to Ollama. So if you actually want to watch the videos about how to get this thing running and how to build your own custom Ollama model within the command line, a link will be up here somewhere or in description, wherever I choose to put it. So for this, you're going to need an installation of Kali Linux, because Kali Linux has all of the red team tools pre-installed, so it's easier. If you want to use another distro, you can, but for this one, we're just using Kali Linux. Then you're going to download Ollama onto your system with this command in the command line. So you copy that, paste it in the command line, and it will start to download Ollama for you. So now that Ollama is downloaded, we are going to pull a specific model to run our AI red team model with. For this one, we are going to use Llama 3.18b because it is the simplest model and it doesn't take a lot of CPU because we're in a virtual machine. It's Kali. We're going to be using CPU instead of GPU just to make it easy on ourselves and for this demo. So you don't have to have a designated machine if you don't have one. Once that is pulled, we're going to make a Ollama service D directory and then nano a override .conf file, which we will put our Ollama host environment variable in this text file, which it'll just be Ollama host and then the IP of your Kali Linux machine and then the standardized port. So it'll just be your machine IP and then this port exactly, 11434. Then you're going to save that and then reload the system. You're going to run sudo system control daemon reload and then sudo system control restart Ollama. Then you're going to curl your localhost 11434. Oh, I forgot to run Ollama. Okay, make sure you restart Ollama with Ollama serve up here. Okay, now we're going to do a new tab. And then now we're going to do curling it again. And it should say Ollama is running if your Ollama instance is running. And if we run Ollama list, you can see our model that is running. And it is 4.9.